Good morning, class 6th. In previous video we have already covered exercise 9.2. Now move to exercise 9.3. The topic name is polynomials. An algebraic expression is called a polynomial if the power of the variable in the each term are non-negative integer. Non-negative means the powers should be positive. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants. So we will take an example like this is an example of algebraic expression. Here variable is using as a x power is 1, the variable power is positive, then we can consider it as a polynomial. One more example, that is 4x power 3 plus 4x plus 3. This is also a polynomial because the variables which are used here, their powers are positive. It means all variables should be in the numerator. Suppose if I write one example like this, x plus 1 over x. This is not a polynomial. Reason? Because here x is used in the denominator. When you change it, it will become x into x power minus 1. Here power is negative, so we will not consider it as a polynomial. What are the polynomials? Polynomials are the algebraic expression in which powers of the variables, powers means whatever is written on the top of the variable, that should be positive. Non-negative means that should be positive. Already examples are given in your book, that is 3x square y. These are the combination of two variables x and y. All powers are positive. X contain 2 power and y is having 1 power. So all these examples all are having positive powers. Now we divide the polynomials in two parts, that are polynomial in one variable and polynomials in two variables. As the name suggests, as a one variable means if we are using only one variable in the algebraic expression, that polynomial is known as polynomial in one variable. Let's take the examples here. Just read the definition first. When an algebraic expression contains only one variable with non-negative integral power are called polynomial in one variable. The degree of polynomial. What do you mean by degree? Degree means the highest power in one variable is the greatest in the polynomial. Greatest power or highest power is known as a degree of polynomial. In other words, an algebraic expression in a form of a plus bx plus cx square plus dx so on, when a, b, c, d are the constants and x is a variable, is called a polynomial in x. So take examples. 4 examples are there. The first example is 2 plus x. In this question we are using only one variable, that is x, and on this here x power is nothing, it means power 1. So this is a polynomial in 1, degree is 1. In the second case, x square minus 2x plus 3. In this case x having 2 as a degree, so only one variable x is there, so polynomial in x of degree 2. Similarly, in other example also, here highest power is 3, so degree of this polynomial will be 3. Now move to the last example. This is not a polynomial. Reason? Because this v as a variable, v act as a variable, it is in the denominator. If in any case variable is used in the denominator, we can say that this is not a polynomial because b is having a negative power. Now move to the next topic, that is polynomial in two or more variables. Two or more variables means if in any algebraic expression, if more than two variables used, like combination of x and y, maybe combination of a and b, that are the examples of polynomials of two variables. So to find the degree of that polynomial, what we are doing, the greatest sum of the power, we are finding the sum of the powers of the variables to find the degree of polynomial. Let's take the example to understand. In your book, the first example is given. This is a combination of x and y. If I take 4, no variable is there. In the second term, one variable, it means the power is 1. Here also only y, so power is 1. This is a combination of x and y. It means two variables, x and y 2. Here x is 2 and y is 1. Total 3 variables. So in this case, degree is 3 because highest power is 3. Whenever combination of variables are there, what you have to do, you have to add all the variables and then you will find the डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. इन नेक्स्ट केस 3a b a power 3 and b power 3, इसमें टोटल 6 वेरिएबल्स यूज. इन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन 2 वेरिएबल्स यूज. इन थर्ड टर्म देर आर 3 वेरिएबल्स, so highest variables are 6, so in this case degree will be 6. So in the last part variables are used in the denominator, so it means this is not a polynomial because degrees are not positive. So these type of polynomials are, these type of terms will make the algebraic expression as a not polynomial. Now move to your next topic, that is substitution. Substitution means the process of finding the value of an algebraic expression by replacing the variable with their particular value. It means with the value whatever is given in the question, you have to replace the variable with that value. The value of an expression depend on the value of the variable. So expression means the expression depend on the value of variable. Look at the first example here, x is equals to -2. It means instead of x we will write -2, and in the place of y we will write 3. The algebraic expression is 2x plus 3y. So in place of x we will use -2, and in place of y we use 3. So here first of all we will multiply 2 into 2, that is -4, 3 into 3, that is 9. After subtracting we get the answer as a 5. Similarly we will solve the other parts also. We replace the value of x and solve it like this. One more example, take this example number 13. Here 3 variables are there. In place of x we will use -2, for y we will use 3, and for z we will use -3. So simply replace x power 3 means -2 power 3. Any negative term power odd is there, the answer will be in negative. After that you multiply it. How you will solve -2 power 3? We will solve like this: -2 multiply -2 multiply -2, that is answer is -8. After that this -8 will be multiplied with 3. -8 into 3, the answer becomes -24. That's why we write here -24. The first term complete. After that we will solve the second term. 2 into -2, answer -4. Next is 3 into -3 into 3, answer is 9. Next one is 4 into -1, answer is -4, then 1. After solving this we got the answer -42. Here all are the negative terms, so we will simply add them and your answer is -42. Here we are using the concept that we are doing in chapter number 2 also, that same signs are there, then you have to do addition and sign of the bigger number. If there are different signs like plus and minus, then you have to do subtraction and sign contain same sign that contain as a larger number. So move to the exercise. In your exercise 9.3, question number 1 and 2, in both questions we have to find the degree. Degree means highest power. For the first question the highest degree is 3, so you can simply write in this case degree is 3. And for the second question we will say this is not a polynomial. Why? Because in the denominator we use the variable. It means variables contain negative power, so you simply write it is not a polynomial. So similarly we will do these sums also. Here power 1, this is 3 plus 2, total 5, 4 plus 1, total 5. So in this case degree will be 5. Try these first and second sum. Question number 3 is true and false. So the first question is 3xy is a trinomial. 3xy is not a trinomial, it is a monomial. It contains only one term, so this one is a false. Similarly here they say 2 plus x is binomial. Yes, it is a true because two terms, binomial contain two terms. Next is a polynomial. Yes, absolutely true. Next is xy binomial. False because xy is a single term. How we divide the terms? We divide the terms with the help of plus and minus sign. So this xy is a combination of product, so it is a single term, so it is a monomial. Now move to the next term, that is also false because it is also a monomial. Next is 5x and 5 and y are two terms. That is absolutely false because terms are separated with the help of plus and minus sign, not with the multiply and divide, so this one is false. 50 is a constant, y is a variable, so 50y is a constant. That is false. 50y is a variable. 55 is a constant, x is a variable, so this one is a variable. That is true. So for the question number 4 to 9, these are the simple substitution sum. In question number 4, you have to simply replace the value of x as a -2, y as a 3. Try to solve these sums in your rough notebook. If you face any difficulty, contact your teacher. Till that time, Thank you so much. Have a good day. Now your this chapter is completed. Thank you so much.